Lazy loading. What is meant by lazy loading in React.js? Lazy loading is nothing but a certain component or a certain part of a code gets loaded whenever it is needed, or a user made a request for that specific component. Instead of loading the whole components, the whole page we are using in application in a single shot, we are going to import whenever it's needed. So it get time complexity and the loading time of your application may get reduced. So it is one of important feature in React.js. So we are going to implement the four components which we using above in a normal import into a lazy loading. Okay, the constant. So React dot lazy of we need to provide the path which we are using above to render a component. So my way it's a home. So I'm going to remove this, and the constant always should be below the all import. So we need to import React to. So yeah. So here, you by using this, only the home component will render whenever it's required or user made a request for the home component.